Welcome to the tutorial. Here we are explaining the process of uploading student data by the school. First of all, you have to mark the CGAs in which your school will be not participating. So like this school has opted out of all the archery combinations. In athletics, as you can see, the school has opted to not participate in athletics boys under 17. Now we will change it to participating. So we are just unchecking this, meaning that we are opting out of not participation. So unchecking means this category will be participated in. We will submit. Now as soon as we submit, we get it here in the participating list. Now to upload students, you have to go to upload student data, and from here you can download the template. The template is a Excel file. So it is just downloaded. So using this template file, you can create the data offline, and then you can connect to internet and upload the data. So this is beneficial for KVS who are not having very good internet connectivity all the time. So here you have to select like athletics. We are preparing for athletics boys under 17. And what you can do, you can simply copy it and say we are preparing for 10. So 1 is done, 9, and we can press enter. It is done. Admission number of all the participants one by one. As soon as you enter admission number, the row will become slightly red, indicating that these fields, they need to be filled. You don't need to care about the case, because if you write Ajay, it will be converted to uppercase by the system, no issue. On submission, it will be converted. For date, obviously you have to put the date part only. There is 1 to 31, month, year. In gender, you have to put B or G. In age group, you have to select 14, 15, 17 or 19. There is a under 17, under 15, that's the age group. Class, you have to put the class of the student. In mobile number, you can put the mobile number of the parent. Shoe size, t-shirt size, tracksuit size, blazer size. These things you have to select. And for shoe, you have to select the values. In food, you have to select veg or non-veg. So all the fields are to be filled for each student. So just to facilitate a faster video, we have prepared a sheet. I'm closing this one. So this is a sheet which is already ready. So I have put the things. So we will be uploading this sheet. So here, we will just go to desktop, choose the sheet, upload. The system is processing it, and it said 10 records imported successfully. Now if by chance, I just try to upload the file again, the system will just check and tell that following records have not been added because this admission number is duplicate. This admission number is duplicate. So all the records, they have been marked as duplicate and have not been imported. So it means that if you are having a sheet and you want to add few more students, you can add more students without removing the old students because system will filter them out. So this is the process of bulk uploading students. Now once the students are uploaded, you have to go to CGA wise students. Here you can see athletics boys under 17. 10 students have been added. Now you have to add photos of these students. So for adding photos, there are again two ways. One method is you go to dashboard, you go to upload student photo, you keep photos prepared and name them like the admission number.jpg. The admission number that we have put in the Excel file is the admission number of the student. So if you rename all the JPG photos to admission number of students.jpg and drag the photos here, they will be uploaded directly. So for demonstration, we are just arranging some photos. So for uploading the photos using the bulk process, we will minimize the browser window, select the photos that have been renamed as per admission number of the students, and drag the photos to the minimized taskbar window, and it will pop up. The browser window will pop up. We will drag the photos to this box. It grows dark black. The border goes dark. We drop the photos here. So these photos, they have been uploaded. Now we'll go to list all CGS. It is still saying add photos because we have added photos for 3 students only, whereas we have to add photos for 10 students. So we'll go to add photos. Now in add photos, as you can see, these 3 photos have been updated. So now to add photo of other students, we have to go to say add events or edit. You can click any of the buttons. Here it will prompt you to add the photo. So you go to choose file. Say we are using the, now here you don't need to rename the photos. You just select a photo, it will rename it as per student's admission number. So using this process of uploading one by one, there's no need to rename the photos. Now you have to select events for the student. Now for this particular student, gold racing, you have to select, you are selecting 100 meter, 200 meter, update student details. It's saying that date of birth is not valid. This happens if the date of birth entered in the Excel sheet was not valid. So it is updated. You are proceeding to next student. Now here the photo is already there. You simply have to select events. Say we are selecting the same events. In case you select more events, more than 3 events, it will say that you can select maximum 3 events for a student. We will select 3. Proceeding to next student. Photos is required here. We are uploading a photo. Upload it. We are selecting the events. Now it will say valid date of birth again. It will say that participant quota is full for 100 meter. You have the total quota per school is 2 and this student cannot be added in this event. So you have to uncheck these events and you have to select events which are available. So similarly, you just keep on adding. To facilitate the thing, to make it faster, we are removing a few students. So we are just removing these students so that we can close it a bit faster. So now these students, they need to be assigned some events. Now this date of birth was valid, so it is taken by the system. And I'm assigning the events to this student. So all the students, they are done. Now once everything is done, it will ask for a finalization consent. If you don't finalize, it will say, prompt you to finalize. Before finalizing, you can make any changes. And to finalize, you simply click on finalize, accept the terms, and finalize. Finalized. Now you can see the data, but you can't edit it. So this is the explanation completed of the activities that can be done by a school. Thank you.